we're building a low-cost sensor for community air pollution monitoring. So we also background information I can give you is that we all know that air pollution is an ongoing global crisis. Specifically though, PM, what particular matter, what it is a small particle that causes a huge problem, which is environmental damage and damage to your respiratory system or your lungs. So what we did was created this low-cost sensor that provides information to everyone about the levels of PM, but specifically to areas where sensors, like government sensors, are too expensive or take too much effort to place. So we try to create a solution to those areas with people who need it.
So for our project, we assembled a easy-to-build, programmable, low-cost sensor that consists of 4 main parts. Chiefly a laser PM 2.5 sensor, which is the main part in the detection for air pollution, connected to a Wi-Fi microcontroller for easy data transmission, a temperature humidity sensor, all enclosed in a 3D printed case. The total cost of these parts is around $100, which is $100 to $200 less than most commercial products available today. So this right there at the bottom, that is our interface that will be accessible through the cloud that updates in real time. And it can be accessed through either your app, website, throughout a network of different like chains. That right there is code Max program to analyze the correlation between our sensors, the cheap sensors, and government and commercial sensors. So we collected 5 days of data at minutely intervals of PM 2.5 pollution through both a assembled low-cost sensor and a popular commercial product, a purple air sensor. We found very high correlation between the 2 products, and it increased as we brought in the time interval, which is a good sign because most of the time air quality indexes are measured using rolling averages. Our future goals for this project are to establish a citizen-hosted low-cost sensor network and to bring more awareness to environmental justice issues.
I would like to thank you all for coming to our low-cost sensor, our talk about our low-cost sensor project. But before you say anything, this is not a mere high school experiment done by 2 kids. But this is a real solution that everyone here can be a part of to an ongoing crisis of air pollution. Thank you.